MidJourney V6, the ultimate AI tool to make money in 2025. Welcome to AsadTech Edge, where we explore cutting-edge AI tools that can transform your life and business. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on the latest tech trends. Previously, we uploaded a video on best AI tools to make millions in 2025. Link in the description, where we covered multiple AI tools with massive money-making potential. We've already discussed GPT-5, and today, we're diving into the second AI tool on our list, MidJourney V6. In this video, I'll show you exactly how MidJourney V6 can help you make money online. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or content creator, stay with me till the end, because I'll also reveal how businesses are leveraging this tool to scale faster than ever. Let's get started. Introduction: why MidJourney V6 is a game changer. AI-generated visuals are revolutionizing the creative industry, and MidJourney V6 is leading this transformation. Imagine an AI that can create hyper-realistic images, artwork, product designs, and branding materials all within seconds. If you've been wondering how to make money with AI-powered art, this is your golden opportunity. Whether you're a graphic designer, marketer, business owner, or content creator, MidJourney V6 offers multiple ways to generate income. In this video, I'll break down how you can use MidJourney V6 to build a profitable business, sell AI-generated designs, and even create a passive income stream. Stick around because I'll also reveal how brands and companies are leveraging AI-generated images to save thousands of dollars on design work. What is MidJourney V6? MidJourney V6 is the latest version of the most powerful AI image generation tool available today. It's designed to create high-quality, ultra-realistic images, illustrations, and graphics with incredible detail and accuracy. What makes MidJourney V6 stand out? Photorealistic and high-quality images. The level of detail in V6 is unmatched, making AI-generated images almost indistinguishable from real photography. Advanced artistic styles, from anime to 3D renders. MidJourney V6 can create stunning artwork in any style you can imagine. Text-to-image precision. You can generate exactly what you describe, making it perfect for branding, marketing, and custom artwork. Commercial-ready designs. Unlike free AI tools, MidJourney V6 creates high-resolution images that can be used for business, print-on-demand, and digital marketing. Best ways to make money with MidJourney V6. 1. Selling AI-generated art and graphics. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Gumroad allow you to sell AI-generated wall art, posters, and digital downloads. You can create custom illustrations, fantasy artwork, and theme designs that people are willing to pay for. 2. Print-on-demand business. Start a print-on-demand pod store using MidJourney V6 to create custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Websites like Printify, Teespring, and Zazzle make it easy to turn AI-generated art into physical products without handling inventory. 3. Freelancing and AI-powered graphic design. Businesses and influencers constantly need graphics, banners, and social media content. You can offer AI-generated logos, book covers, and promotional materials on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and 99 Designs. 4. AI-powered YouTube thumbnails and social media content. Eye-catching visuals increase engagement on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. With MidJourney V6, you can create viral thumbnails, Instagram posts, and advertisements that help content creators and brands boost their reach. 5. NFT and digital collectibles. The NFT market is still alive and evolving. With MidJourney V6, you can create unique, AI-generated digital assets and sell them as NFTs on OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. AI-generated NFTs can still fetch high prices if marketed well. 6. Custom AI art commissions. Many businesses and individuals are looking for unique, high-quality artwork. You can take commissions on social media, or freelancing platforms to create custom AI-generated illustrations and designs for clients. 7. AI-powered book covers and illustrations. Self-published authors need high-quality book covers and illustrations. With MidJourney V6, you can create stunning visuals and sell them to authors on platforms like KDP Kindle Direct Publishing, Smashwords, and Draft to Digital. MidJourney V6 in action. Now, let's see MidJourney V6 in action. Cut to screen recording. Here's an example of how MidJourney V6 can generate a hyper-realistic image in seconds. The level of detail and creativity is something even professional designers struggle to achieve manually. Similarly, check out how MidJourney V6 creates perfect social media graphics and branding materials. This is a game changer for marketers and entrepreneurs. Cut to demo. The future of AI and MidJourney V6. AI-generated content is reshaping the creative industry. Businesses are already replacing expensive design teams with AI-generated content to save costs and boost efficiency. In the next few years, AI-powered visuals will dominate marketing, branding, and digital advertising. Companies will rely on AI for website design, ad creatives, and product mock-ups. For entrepreneurs and freelancers, this means a massive opportunity to monetize AI-generated art before the market gets saturated. Early adopters will have the advantage. Whether you're a graphic designer, freelancer, or business owner, AI is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Those who learn how to use MidJourney V6 effectively will outpace the competition and make serious money. Conclusion and call to action. MidJourney V6 is not just another AI tool, it's a revolution in AI-powered image generation and design. If you've been looking for ways to monetize AI art, sell digital products, or start a creative business, this is your chance. The earlier you start, the more money you can make. Which AI tool should we cover next? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to AsadTech Edge for more AI-powered money-making strategies. Share this video with friends who want to earn with AI-generated visuals. Stay ahead in the AI revolution. See you in the next video.